Shalom Aleichem Rabotai. It's the 41st day of the Omer Erev Shabbat. We're continuing Mishnah Yomi in Sheviit in the 6th parak, the 4th Mishnah. Me'ematai mutar adam nekach yarak motzei Sheviit. From when can a person purchase vegetables motzei Sheviit, the 8th year after Sheviit itself is over? The concern is there may still be Sheviit produce on the market for sale, and you want to make sure you're not buying Sheviit produce. So the Mishnah says, Mishiyase chayotzibo, once they've grown new produce in the 8th year like this. So if you have new grown produce, you can be rest assured you're buying new stuff from the 8th year, not Sheviit. Also, habakir hutar afil. If the land has grown fast ripening, like lashon bachor, bakir, quick ripening produce, so even the late ripening areas are still mutter because they can move it from the areas where these vegetables, whatever it is, ripened quickly and sell it where they ripen a little more slowly in the 8th year. Rebbe hitir lekachir motzei Sheviit miyad. Rebbe, this is Rebbe Yehuda Nasi, allows someone to buy vegetables and produce immediately because you can assume they've imported it from outside of Eretz Yisrael or from an area where it ripened very quickly. It's interesting that Rebbe Yehuda Nasi himself, there's a Gemara in Brachot 57b that says he always had radishes and cucumbers and lettuce on his table even when it was not in season, because he's so incredibly wealthy he could import fresh produce from outside of Eretz Yisrael, and from wherever it was ripe at that time of year he could afford to import it. So he was actually an expert in the import and export of vegetables, so Mistama, he knows what he's talking about. Mishnah Hey. Ein motziin shemen soifa uperot Sheviit mehaaretz l'chutz la'aretz. One may not export shemen soifa. Here is oil that must be burned. This is truma tameya. It's truma of olive oil, but once it becomes tameh, it can't be consumed as a food, but it can be consumed by the kohanim as a fuel still. But it has a kedusha. It should not be taken out of Eretz Yisrael. Uperot Sheviit also have kedusha of shmita from the Eretz Yisrael to Chutz La'aretz. Amar Rabbi Shimon Shemati Beperish. Rabbi Shimon says, I've heard specifically Shemotzi in the Syria, that you could take out these items to Syria and Motzi in the Chutz La'aretz, but not to other areas. Now, Syria, we mentioned a couple days ago, yesterday, has this quasi-Eretz Yisrael status. It was called Kivush Yachid, conquered by an individual. David HaMelech took over Syria. So in some respects, it is like Eretz Yisrael, but in other respects, it's a bit like Chutz La'aretz. So Rabbi Shimon had heard this chiluk, but the Barner says the halacha is not like him. Shkoyach Rabosai.